Hello students, welcome back to online class. Today I am going to teach you SST chapter number is 6. The name of the chapter is Safety Around Us. Students, chapter number 6 and chapter number 8. These both chapters are in your unit test syllabus. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 6 and chapter number 8. Already that is done in the first term. That video also uploaded, so watch the video again, chapter number 8, and do the exercise, homework, everything. Today I will teach you chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Safety Around Us. So what do you mean by safety? Yes, safety means to protect ourselves. From what? From danger. Yes, we have to protect ourselves from dangers. Students, whenever you are at home, at school, on the road, you have to keep yourself safe. But how you can keep yourself safe? How? By following some safety rules. Then only you can be safe. Otherwise, what will happen? You can face dangers. You can face an accident. So, to keep yourself safe, follow some safety rules. So, first is safety at home. How you can keep yourself safe at home? Yes, we know that home is our living place. We feel comfort at home. But at home also we can face dangers. Yes. Look at these things. It is a scissor. It is used at home for many purposes. It is a knife. It is used at home in the kitchen. Don't play with these things. These are very sharp objects. They can hurt you. Don't play with these things. And always cover these things with the paper. Keep in the drawers. Whenever you will play with these things, you will hurt. Then, look at this. What is this? It is a matchsticks. It is used in the kitchen also. For many purposes we use it at home. Yes, like Diwali festival is coming. I know that some children will use these matchsticks at home. But you know it, that it can burn your hand, it can burn many things. Don't play and don't use these things at home. This can be dangerous for you. So next is medicines. Yes, we know it. See, what is this? It is a medicine. It is very useful for us. Whenever we feel sick, we take medicine from the doctors. And we feel better after taking medicine. But do you know that it can be dangerous too? You know it? Yes. Students always take the medicine prescribed by the doctor only. Nowadays, students, as due to coronavirus, we are using mobile phones to study. We are not able to come to school. Okay, but one more thing, as we are studying with the mobile phones, internet is very useful for us. Always visit a safe site. Don't use any other sites, safe site visit only, and don't give your personal information to the strangers. This can be dangerous for you. Okay, the next point is safety at school. Yes. School. How you can keep yourself safe at school? Yes, by obeying the teacher. If you will not obey your teacher, then you will be in danger. As in your school also, there is a language lab. Teachers take you in the language lab. There are many words. If you will touch that words, then what will happen? You will get electric shocks. Yes, surely. Don't push anyone, don't pull anyone in the school. Whenever you go to school, obey your teacher. If you will not obey, then something can happen that will be dangerous for you. Whenever you go to the laboratory, don't use their chemicals. With the permission, with your teacher's permission only, you can touch all the things. Don't use anything. Okay. Next point is safety on the road. Look at this chart, students. Here are traffic lights. Here are traffic lights. First is red color. Red color light is there. If the light is red, that means you have to immediately stop on the road. Then see the yellow light. If there is a yellow light, then you have to wait till the green light comes. Then if there is a green light on the road signal, then only you have to move. Next is traffic signs. There are, students, some traffic signs. First is no horn, means blowing horn is prohibited. Next is zebra crossing, the place where the white and black lines are there only you have to cross the road. Okay. Next is school ahead. It is the warning sign to the drivers that upcoming is school. So the drivers can alert that there will be students on the road. Next is U-turn. U-turn means U-turn on the road, that area is prohibited, that you are not allowed to move the opposite side on the road. Okay. There are some more safety rules on the road, that always use left side on the road. Whenever you are walking on the road, keep to your left only. When you are moving in the bus, when you are traveling in the bus is moving, don't throw anything from moving a bus, because you should keep your seat clean. Keep the wrappers in the bag. Whenever you reach home, throw all the wrappers in the dustbin. Okay, students, keeping safe is in your hand. By following simple instructions and by staying aware, you can avoid dangers at home, in school, wherever you are. So stay alert, stay safe. Okay, students, safety is in your hand only. If you are alert, if you are careful, then only you can be safe. Otherwise, dangers is everywhere. You can be in dangers. Okay, students, it was the chapter about safety around us. So now you have to do some homeworks related with this chapter. First, exercise 1. It is your homework. Exercise 1, that is fill in the blanks. Try to solve it. Next, exercise 2, that is true false. Read the chapter carefully, then only solve the exercise. Okay. Next, exercise 4, that is look at the following traffic signs. Can you identify them? I already have shown you some traffic signs and I already explained. Write their names on the book. Okay, exercise 4. Okay, it was the chapter about safety rules. Hope you all understood. Thank you.